Welcome to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by UNice Hair. They did send me this unit and I will be installing it with y'all, showing y'all how I got this easy look. So let's get right into this video, y'all. I definitely love this wig. So y'all, the wig did come in this cute pink UNice box. This is definitely a new box because I believe their wigs don't come normally in this color box, but it's definitely cute. It also came with a few gifts, some lashes, a lace band or a melt band. It also came with the HD wig cap. I did do this wig glueless, y'all, so I did not use a wig cap. Not only that, the wig did come pre-plucked, pre-bleached, literally everything. As y'all could see, all I had to do was literally put it on, spray it down, and do my baby hairs. Also, y'all, I wanted to crimp this hair, but I do not have my crimps at the moment. My sister had them, so I had to straighten the hair. And y'all, when I say the hair 10 out of 10, like, y'all, for real, UNice definitely did they think with this unit. All I had to do was put it on and straighten it, or you could curl it, you could do whatever, however you want to style it. But y'all, when I say I was kind of skeptical from going from body wave to straight, but when I say I'm so glad I did, y'all, I am so in love with the straightness. A 10 out of 10 for me. It's definitely a 10 out of 10 for me, y'all. I definitely would recommend this wig for ladies that's out there for beginners or people that's on the go working, you know, something quick, needs something fast and easy to maintain. I definitely would recommend this wig.
Persian eyes, but she's from Nicaragua. Thought you was Persian love. Are we turning up? Or are we wasting time? Girl, don't waste my time. No party. I don't just wanna chill with you. Oh no, I wanna turn up. But you give it back.
So y'all, this is the completed look. As I mentioned, I did decide to straighten the hair and I definitely love it. Definitely a 10 out of 10, as you can see for yourself. Also, this unit is glueless, y'all. Definitely keep that in mind. It's a 10 out of 10 for me in my book. You can use my discount code to get money off your purchase if you're interested in shopping with them. I ended up putting a glitter highlight in it because I want to see how it look. And y'all, when I say a 10 out of 10, it's definitely a 10 out of 10. Like, literally no complaints at all. UNice, y'all definitely did y'all big one. Everything about this company and this wig will be in the description box, y'all. Literally everything. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to go follow me on Instagram and on TikTok. We at 54K. We on the road to 100K. Y'all know the vibes. And until next time, I will see y'all in my next video.